Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen with the love and warmth. Today I'm gonna make something super delicious and fun. Churros. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and perfect for dipping in Nutella. Let's get started. First we add water, butter, sugar, and a pinch of salt to a pan. Let them heat up and come to a gentle boil. Once it starts to boil, we add the flour and stir it well until the dough comes together. Keep stirring over low heat until the dough is smooth and pulled away from the pan like this. Let the dough cool a bit. Then add vanilla and 3 eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each. If you don't have a mixer, no worries. A whisk works just fine. Now that our dough is ready, grab a piping bag and let's shape the churros. a piping bag with the churros dough. Shape them however you like. Have fun with it. Place it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to firm up. Then fry until golden and crispy. Just look how beautiful they turned out, but wait till you taste them. You have no idea how good they are. Now once the oil is hot, gently drop in the churros and let them fry until golden. You could skip the freezer and pipe the churros straight into the hot oil, but they might not hold their shape as well. They could look a little messy. Once the churros are fried, immediately roll them in the cinnamon sugar mixture we prepared earlier. Do it while they are still hot so the coating sticks perfectly. Keep going just like this and fry the rest of your churros until they're all done.
With love, from my kitchen to yours. It's beautiful. So crispy.
If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe for more delicious ideas.
It turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try.